Today we're speaking with Martin Kowen, the Marketing Director of GM AFCON. How unique is your electronic sensor system?
The system is unique because it's one of the very few electronic sensors available compared to existing mechanical sensors. Electronic sensor means that each individual sensor can detect by itself and give an alarm indication from each sensor. We also have the ability to adjust the sensitivity of individual sensors so that depending on the type of installation, we can set the sensor to detect at the optimal level according to the barrier, whether it's a fence, a wall, or maybe even a solid structure. Each one will detect differently and as such give a reliable alarm indication.
What is the importance of such a sensor when we talk about perimeter security and especially offshore security?
Well, for perimeter security, we can obviously put it on any type of fence, but we can also have installations which integrate fences, walls, and even solid structures, like installing the sensor on a generator that is close to the perimeter. For offshore structures, we can put it on different elements that are threatened on the offshore structure, give each sensor the detection capability according to what it's installed on, and as such provide an integrated security solution for that application.
One of the main problems with these sensors is false alarm rates. What are the false alarm rates with your system?
Our false alarm rate on solid structures is almost zero. Very, very low level of false alarm rates, if at all. The main reason for this is because we are in constant communication with each sensor, we're able to compare the data coming from each sensor in order to find this one sensor or a number of sensors that are different to all the others. So in a situation where you have, for example, high wind situation, all the sensors will, the numbers coming out of the sensor, they will change proportionally to each other. But if one sensor is different from all the other in that group, that we will look for as an alarm detection.
Who are your main clients?
The main clients are industrial applications, border projects, these sort of applications. In India, for example, we do government and public sector installations, mainly around factories and highly sensitive installations in India and other countries, of course.
How do you operate?
Our operation is to look for system integrators worldwide. We train them once we've started working with them, bring them to a point very easily where they can find the projects and install them by themselves and provide technical support to the project.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kowen.